How to enable fingerprint or face unlock in WhatsApp. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to enable fingerprint or face unlock on WhatsApp to keep your chats extra secure. Let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded WhatsApp on a device. For iPhone user, you can download it from App Store, and for Android user, you can download it from Google Play Store. After that, click on search bar and open WhatsApp. Make sure to log into your account. Then tap the three dots in the top right corner on Android and select Settings. On iPhone, tap the Settings icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on Privacy option. Scroll down and tap on Screen Lock or App Lock on iPhone. Then turn on Require Fingerprint to open WhatsApp on Android or Unlock with Face ID on iPhone. Choose how soon WhatsApp locks after you exit, immediately after 1 minute, 15 minutes or 1 hour. And that's it. This is how you enable fingerprint and face unlock on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down below if you have any other queries. Thank you.